Climate change and mitigations. Question 1. Consider the following statements regarding carbon capturing and storage. 1. It is the process of capturing carbon dioxide after it enters the atmosphere. 2. Post-combustion, pre-combustion and oxy-fuel combustion are different methods to capture carbon. 3. Both artificial and natural sinks are used to store captured carbon. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 2. Consider the following statements regarding Climate and Clean Air Coalition. 1. The objective of the coalition is to reduce short-lived climate pollutants like methane, black carbons and HFCs. 2. It was founded by the Government of India, Bangladesh, Canada, USA along with UNEP. 3. Short-lived climate pollutants are primarily sourced from anthropogenic activities and responsible for about 45% of global warming. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 2 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 1 and 2 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 3. Which of the following are components of geoengineering? 1. Artificial volcano. 2. Shooting mirror in space. 3. Iron seeding of sea. 4. Whitening of clouds. 5. Cloud thinning. 6. Injection of aerosol particles. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1, 2, 5 and 6 only. B. 2, 4 and 5 only. C. 1, 2, 4 and 6 only. D. All of the above. Question 4. Consider the following statements regarding India's proposed intended nationally determined contributions, INDC. 1. INDC are binding national plans highlighting climate measures governments aim to implement in response to climate change. 2. The updated NDC reads put forward mass movement for life, lifestyle for environment as a key to combating climate change. 3. Successful implementation of the targets will bring climate justice to a wider level. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 3 only. B. 2 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 5. Which of the following are important measures for mitigating climate change? 1. Improving energy efficiency. 2. Increasing gas flaring. 3. Clean coal technology and coal washing. 4. Reduce mass rapid transport system. 5. Afforestation. Choose the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1, 3 and 5 only. B. 2, 4 and 5 only. C. 1, 3, 4 and 5 only. D. All of the above. Question 6. Consider the following statements regarding carbon sinks. 1. A carbon sink is anything that releases more carbon to the atmosphere than it absorbs. 2. Green carbon is carbon removed by photosynthesis and stored in the plants and soil of natural ecosystems and is a vital part of the global carbon cycle. 3. Blue carbon refers to carbon sinks held by coastal, aquatic, and marine vegetation, marine organisms, and sediments. 4. India's Sundarbans National Park is among 5 sites that have the highest blue carbon stocks globally. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1, 2 and 3 only. B. 2, 3 and 4 only. C. 1, 2 and 4 only. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question 7. Consider the following statements regarding carbon market. 1. Carbon footprint can be defined as the total amount of greenhouse gases produced to directly and indirectly support human activities, usually expressed in equivalent tons of carbon dioxide. 2. Carbon credits are the credits for reductions in greenhouse gas emissions made that are quantified and sold in metric tons of carbon dioxide equivalent. 3. Carbon offsets is a term for any tradable certificate representing the right to emit 1 ton of carbon dioxide or the mass of another greenhouse gas, GHG, with a carbon dioxide equivalent, CO2, equivalent to 1 ton of carbon dioxide. 4. International emissions trading or trading of carbon emissions permit was not allowed under Kyoto Protocol. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 1, 2 and 3 only. B. 2, 3 and 4 only. C. 1, 2 and 4 only. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question 8. Consider the following statements regarding carbon capture, utilization and sequestration. 1. It is a process that captures carbon dioxide emissions from sources like coal-fired power plants and either reuses or stores it so that it will not enter the atmosphere. 2. Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change has established 2 National Centers of Excellence in Carbon Capture and Utilization, CCU, in India. 3. Accelerating CCUS Technologies, ACT, is an initiative to facilitate the emergence of CO2 capture, utilization and storage, CCUS. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 9. Consider the following statements regarding Greenergy project. 1. The government launched the Greenergy project to reduce emissions from agriculture and ensure sustainable agricultural practices. 2. The Greenergy project is funded by the Global Environment Facility, while the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change is the national executing agency. 3. The project will be implemented in all the states and union territories of India. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 2 only. B. 1 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. None of the above.